HealthTech Ghana Limited has successfully installed the state-of-the-art Philips Incisive CT 128 slice at the Bank Hospital in collaboration with the Philips Ghana team.
This equipment was brought into this hospital from the HealthTech team. The team played a very significant role between their part and the Bank Hospital staff. There was actually a collaboration. There was a technical team that was formed, and then specifications on what they needed before the installation was brought. Then the Bank Hospital team also tried to get all those specifications in place. The teamwork was so fantastic. The timeline that HealthTech gave, they met the timeline one after the other. Emails were flowing to the various stakeholders. Everything was excellent. And the time that they were supposed to bring the equipment in, the two teams met, decided on the roadmap, and then executed it peacefully, and it didn't affect patient experience in the hospital. And today, we've been able to have the Incisive CT scan from Philips 128 slide, state-of-the-art. Bank Hospital pride itself with world-class technology. And as the leader of the radiology team, the place is always the center of excellence. Our cherished customers will come and experience, look at this wow environment that we have. We will experience world-class imaging services. And we are so grateful that Philips, through HealthTech, has been able to help us. They have application specialists, on-site engineers who can help us in case there is any technical fault. Everything is there. And that is one thing that I want to send across to the various imaging departments, that let us look at equipment that are robust, equipment that services are readily available, equipment that when you are using it is so user-friendly and those complex things are not there. There are a lot of AI integrated into the system, which can help us produce higher quality images for diagnosis and easy management of patient conditions. I'm so delighted, I'm so overwhelmed, and I want to thank HealthTech for the collaboration with the Bank Hospital, and I will always thank the board and management of the Bank Hospital for getting us this, and I see that there's joy coming. This issue of Bank Hospital CT scanner is down and all that is going to be a thing of the past. We are having a 6-year extended warranty that we will not have any problem with equipment breakdown any longer. So I'm so happy, ladies and gentlemen. HealthTech, superb. Philips, wonderful.
My name is Chris Isaac Nyako, the MRI, CT, Digital X-ray Business Line Manager for Philips West Africa and East Africa. We have just completed installation of our industry-leading Incisive CT 128 slice at the Bank Hospital in partnership with HealthTech Ghana Limited. What makes this system truly unique is the intelligence that is built at every stage in the imaging workflow, from patient preparation through to planning to image acquisition and post-processing analysis. AI-enabled smart workflow help to streamline operation and support clinicians in delivering faster, smarter, and more confident diagnosis. This system is also paired with our advanced visualization workspace, which is equipped with post-processing applications such as comprehensive cardiac analysis, virtual colonoscopy, lung nodal assessment, brain perfusion, advanced vessel analysis, and many more. Beyond clinical performance, the Incisive CT is designed to address operational efficiency and long-term sustainability. With the Tube for Life offering, the Bank Hospital receives a 10-year guarantee on their CT tube. And what does this do for them? It lowers their OPEX and further lowers the total cost of ownership on the system. Equally important is the Philips local service support structure right here in Ghana. Our field service engineers alongside our remote service support working together to proactively monitor the system around the clock, ensuring optimum performance and up to 95% uptime guarantee. With this installation, I'm highly confident that the bank hospital, now equipped with Philips Incisive CT with advanced cardiac capabilities, is now ready to deliver high-quality, patient-centered care.
My name is Ernest Kumiobin. I'm the facilities manager for the bank hospital. So bank hospital acquired this equipment for CT purposes, and as part of my role on this project, I am responsible to ensure that the room is ready in terms of infrastructure, in terms of the electrical, and in terms of the ambience for this installation to happen. This project was well planned, well timed from initiation to execution. And as far as I'm concerned, it is a very successful project, thanks to all the stakeholders who helped us. But most importantly, I recommend the installer for that phenomenal work that he did as far as this installation is concerned.
So radiology department needed a CT scan. And the best place we could get a CT scan was to contact HealthTech Ghana. So we link up with HealthTech Ghana and Philips. And within 2 weeks, we have our new CT scan, which will help serve our patients very well. Our patients don't need to go out in ambulance. Now we have the best CT scan in Ghana. So we recommend HealthTech for any hospital who wants to deal in CT. HealthTech is the best.